In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for an iCloud backup on your iPhone. We all know how important it is to keep our data safe, and having an up-to-date backup on iCloud ensures that your personal information, photos and settings are secure and easily recoverable. Let's walk through these steps to make sure everything is in order. First, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Go ahead and open the Settings app. Once you're in, pay attention to the top part of the Settings menu where you'll see your name. Tapping on your name takes you directly to your Apple ID settings. Here you'll find various options related to your account, including the all-important iCloud settings. Tap on iCloud to delve deeper into your storage and backup options. Now that you're in the iCloud section, look for either Manage Storage or iCloud Storage. Depending on your iOS version, it might be labeled differently, but either option will lead you to the next step. This area shows you an overview of your iCloud storage and gives you insight into what's taking up space. Tap in to see more details. Within the storage section, you'll come across an option that says Backups. Tap on Backups to enter the space dedicated to managing all device backups. Here, you'll find a list of devices that have saved iCloud backups under your Apple ID. This can range from iPhones and iPads to any other Apple product you've set up to back up to iCloud. Now, from the list of devices, look for your specific iPhone by name. It will usually have the model or a custom name you've assigned. It's important to ensure you're looking at your primary device if you have multiple devices listed. Tap on your iPhone's name to explore the backup details associated with it. Once you've selected your iPhone, you'll be able to see crucial information such as the date and size of the last backup. This tells you when the last successful backup was completed and how much space it took up on your iCloud account. Checking these details helps ensure that your data is current and that the most recent changes you've made to your phone, like new photos and app data, are safely stored. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to check your iCloud backup right from your iPhone. Regularly reviewing this information puts you in control and guarantees your data's safety and accessibility. Remember, it's always a good idea to have automatic backups enabled, helping you stay prepared for any unexpected events. Thanks for watching, and make sure to back up your data today.